Hey, it's Gilbite here, and this is going to be a quick video on removing rusty bolts and nuts. Now this one actually doesn't look too bad after it's soaked for an hour in PB Blaster. The other side was much worse, but this will still work for purposes of demonstration. So this thing is in upside down. I don't like it. I'm going to turn it back over like it should be. First thing, this thing has been on for at least a decade, and it's exposed, so it's rusty. What I do is I always hit it first with some PB Blaster before I even try to remove it. Hit it back in there, let it soak down, and I also spray it from the other side here, and I let it soak. I try to let it soak for at least an hour, and every once in a while tap it. Don't tap the threads, tap either the hope that wasn't too loud. Don't tap the threads, tap either the bottom of the bolt or the side of the nut or the top of the bolt, something substantial, and you let it set. Like I said, try to let it set for at least an hour if you can. On this one, it's not that bad, so I'd probably just let it set for 10 minutes. So now, using good quality wrenches, 6-point preferred, we're gonna try to break it loose. It is on there. Woo! Didn't look that bad, but this is why I always soak them for an hour or more. Spray it the day before if you know you're going to take it off. All right, it is coming. Now on the other side, I got it to move a little, and then it wanted to freeze up on me. I didn't want to break the bolt. So what I do is I turn it around, flip the wrench, socket wrench, and I'm going to tighten it this time. Tighten it back up. This is to clear the threads. All that corrosion and stuff gets caught up in the threads. Now I've backed it back up. That clears the threads. And now it's turning a lot easier. We get to the same spot and it actually goes through the resistance. And it's gonna come out no problem now. All right, can you get every bolt and nut free this way? No, but this is a good way to do it. I don't want to use heat unless I have to, and I don't want to use heat when there's paint. So don't use like a blowtorch to try to heat it up and risk ruining the paint. But I hope that was helpful. It works quite often. Just let it penetrate, let it free up the corrosion, and often you'll have good luck that way. Anyway, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours. Before putting this back on, gonna clean up those threads, get all that out of there. Same with the nut. Make sure that is good and clean, otherwise it's gonna seize up quicker.